Welcome to Eco Traveler. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through one of the world's oldest and largest covered markets, Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. With over 4,000 shops spread across 61 streets, it's a shopper's paradise filled with history, culture, and endless treasures. Stick around as we share some insider tips and tricks to make the most of your visit. First, a little history. The Grand Bazaar, or Kapalı Çarşı, dates back to the 15th century, built shortly after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. This vibrant market has been the heart of commerce in Istanbul for centuries, and it's easy to see why. From exotic spices and hand-woven carpets to intricate jewelry and unique antiques, the bazaar is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Tip 1. Plan your visit. The Grand Bazaar can be overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. We recommend starting your visit early in the morning when the crowds are smaller. The bazaar is open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. But keep in mind that some shops may close earlier during religious holidays. Grab a map at the entrance or use a digital one on your phone. The bazaar is divided into different sections, each specializing in various goods like textiles, jewelry, spices, and antiques. Knowing where you want to go can save you time and help you avoid getting lost in the maze of alleys. Tip 2. Master the art of bargaining. Bargaining is a crucial part of the shopping experience at the Grand Bazaar. Prices are often marked up, so don't be afraid to negotiate. Start by offering around 50 to 60% of the asking price and work your way up. Be polite but firm, and remember, it's all part of the fun. A friendly smile and a little humor can go a long way in securing a good deal. If you don't reach an agreement, don't worry, there are plenty of other shops to explore. Tip 3. Authenticity checks. While the Grand Bazaar is known for its high-quality goods, it's essential to check for authenticity, especially when buying expensive items like carpets or jewelry. Look for reputable shops with certificates of authenticity. If you're unsure, it's okay to walk away and do a little research before making a big purchase. For those interested in antiques, remember that exporting items over 100 years old without a proper permit is illegal. Always ask for the necessary documentation. Tip 4. Take a break with local delicacies. Exploring the Grand Bazaar can be tiring, so be sure to take breaks and enjoy some local delicacies. Try a cup of Turkish tea or coffee at one of the cozy cafes. For a quick snack, grab some freshly made Turkish delight or baklava from a local vendor. It's a perfect way to recharge and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Tip 5. Stay aware and safe. Like any bustling market, it's essential to stay aware of your surroundings. Keep your belongings secure and be cautious of pickpockets. If you're traveling with a group, establish a meeting point in case you get separated. And remember, while the bazaar is generally safe, it's always best to be vigilant. And that's a wrap on our day at Istanbul's Grand Bazaar. We hope these tips help you make the most of your visit to this iconic marketplace. Whether you're hunting for unique souvenirs, enjoying delicious treats, or simply soaking in the rich history, the Grand Bazaar has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eco Traveler for more travel tips and adventures. Have you been to the Grand Bazaar? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.